Here is a product close-up look at the Hang On stamp set and dies from Trinity Stamps Bright Side release, available on July 31st, 2020. This adorable stamp set was illustrated by Christie Black and contains 8 separate photopolymer stamps. The rainbow measures 3.5 inches wide and 1.5 inches tall. The little girl measures 1.3 inches wide and 2.3 inches tall. The little finger stamp can be layered over the rainbow to appear as if the little girl is holding onto the rainbow. You could also place this onto the balloon. The coordinating die set is sold separately and includes 8 pieces that will cut out all of the images in the Hang On stamp set. Here is a look at what the images will appear as when they are stamped and die cut. You can see that the little girl can hang directly underneath that rainbow, and there is the tiny little die cut that you can place right on top of the rainbow, and you can make it appear as if her hand is holding on to the rainbow. And you could raise that on foam and make it 3-dimensional. It also works well for balloons. Stamp one balloon or a bunch of balloons, and this little girl has a very interesting look. The sentiments included in the stamp set are all put together where the words are continuous in the die cut. Here are a few projects from our design team featuring the Hang On stamp set. Hang On is available as part of the Bright Side release. Will be available to purchase on July 31st, 2020.